From the explorers of the future, greetings! Prepare to enjoy the freedom of the wide road with the innovative 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. This RV is more than just a car. It's a statement about life thanks to its creative design for every trip. Every aspect of Chevrolet's recognizable power and style is on display, from its modern, streamlined design with aerodynamic features intended to reduce wind and increase economy to its adjustable LED headlights that sparkle at night. Several sturdy chassis options are available for these RVs, such as the modified Silverado HD and the Chevrolet Express van basis. They are powered by a variety of reliable and powerful engines. The popular Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine offers a fun ride on any terrain thanks to its amazing power and towing capacity. In contrast, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine offers reasonably priced transportation by combining excellent performance and fuel efficiency. The clean and driver-focused design of the dashboard immediately grabs your attention. A large infotainment touchscreen that serves as the control center and a digital instrument panel that can be adjusted put all the crucial information at your fingertips. Thanks to integrated navigation, Android Auto compatibility, and wireless Apple CarPlay, you won't get lost. A contemporary and welcoming cockpit is provided by the ergonomic dashboard design with high-quality materials, brushed chrome accents, and calming ambient lighting for extended flights. The main cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome strikes the ideal balance between functionality and style. The motorized slide-out adds even more space and light to the inside while parked. Wide windows with creative curtains allow in natural light and provide breathtaking views of your surroundings. A plush leather sofa and movable captain's chairs make this the perfect lounge area for entertaining or relaxing. Two benefits of alternatives to durable luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring are comfort and simplicity of maintenance. The bedroom space is meant to be a peaceful haven after a day of sightseeing. A comfortable queen or king-size bed and a suitable mattress are essential for a restful night's sleep. On either side of the bed are side tables with separate USB charging ports and reading lamps. With built-in closets and spacious drawers that provide ample space for storing all of your belongings, the inside is kept in perfect condition. Soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains provide a peaceful atmosphere. The bathroom of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is proof that comfort need not be sacrificed for opulent travel. The bathroom features a porcelain toilet, a large walk-in shower with suitable water pressure, a modern sink with fancy faucets, and a stylish design. A large mirror with integrated lighting and creative toiletry storage provide convenience. Because of the high-quality, easily cleaned materials, it feels hygienic and clean. The greatest selling point of any camper, including the 2026 Chevrolet camper, is its kitchen. Professional cooks will love this kitchen's large solid-surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer. A stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and ample storage space in the cabinets and drawers make meal preparation easy and enjoyable, even while cooking outside.